Hello friends, in this video lecture we will see how to download, install and explore OBS software. Dear friends, because of this COVID-19 pandemic situation, development of e-content has become sort of necessary for faculty members. And for this creation of e-content, number of softwares are available. But one of the most easy software from my perspective point of view for development of this e-content is OBS software. So in this video we will see how to download and install OBS software. Dear friends, in order to download OBS software, first of all we must know which system we are using. In order to know that, click on my computer and then go to system properties. Your system is either 32-bit or 64-bit if you are using Windows system. So here in system type you will find out whether you are using 32-bit or 64-bit. For example, I am using 64-bit operating system. Once you know which operating system you are using, it will become easy for you to download OBS software and install it. To download OBS software, just go to Google Chrome or Internet Explorer and in address bar type OBS Studio and click enter. It will redirect you to some sites. Out of this site, the OBS broadcaster software, that is obsproject.com. This is the site from where we need to download OBS software. Click on this link and you will be redirected to homepage of this obsproject.com. On this homepage you will find OBS Studio is available for download for Windows system, Mac operating system or Linux operating system. If you are using 64-bit Windows system, you can simply click on this icon and your OBS Studio will get downloaded within some period of time. If you are using Mac operating system or Linux, you can click on respective links. If you are using Windows system which is 32-bit, then you need to click on this download option, and in this download option here you can find download installer 32-bit. You need to click here to download OBS software for 32-bit operating system. Once you click on either of this link, downloading of this software will start, and after some time your software will get downloaded. Then you need to go to download folder and click on OBS software which got downloaded and give it permission to install in your system. After few minutes the software get installed in your system and it will show this type of icon on your screen, or in programs you can find out this type of same icon in your program files. So this is how one can download and install OBS software in system. Now after download of this OBS software, we can explore this OBS software for recording of videos. In next video we will see how to do that. Thank you.